basic intention of coming here was about getting the file cleared for Kabristan, which is a very long pending issue. Almost more than half an hour हांव ताजे कडेन बसून उलयलां, खूब वस्तू उलयलां आनी जे भायर आयकूंक येता तितलें वायट सिच्युएशन ना. इट इज फॅक्ट दॅट ही इज, बट वन थिंग ते कितें लायफ सपोर्ट बिपोर्ट म्हणून जें सांगतात पळय, म्हाकाय पळोवंक जाय आशिल्लें एक भशेन, उत्सुकता आशिल्ली कळपाक की बाबा खरेंच कितें काय म्हणून. अशें कांय ना, हांवें डिस्कस्ड लॉट मेनी थिंग्स. हाजेर हांव म्हणना की BJPचो सरकार उरचो ना. हांवें म्हणलां ते भशेन की if all goes well, then I will have such type of a facility, which is a economic model woven around it. Within 1 year, before the next Lokotsav happens in Raya, I know it is also but natural for somebody to infer that why should a coalition partner say he won't be minister. So in a way, you all are also right. But I am not showing that there is any instability, or at least I am not creating it. If I am creating it, I would have said that BJP Sarkar urcho na. I am म्हणलं हांवूच उरत ना.